Hey guys, so we would be making some easy non-sophisticated Zobolo drink today, and we just need the Zobolo leaf, the pineapple, lemon, and some flavor. So now we're gonna start with putting some of the Zobolo leaves or hibiscus leaves into a pot and washing it to get some of the sands in it out. Afterwards, we're gonna add the required amount of water into it, transfer it into a suitable pot size, and set it aside. Now we're going to wash and cut our pineapple. Some people resort to putting just the back of the pineapple, but personally I put the whole pineapple because I want more of the natural sugar to get in there. And it's time to set the pot of Zobolo and water onto a gas cooker. Add our pineapple, let it cook for about 15 minutes, and then move on to adding our flavored sugar. This step is really optional. There are different kinds of flavor, but I would be using the color flavored sugar today. We already have some natural sugar from the pineapple doing the sweetening for us, so we're just adding a little bit of the flavored sugar powder, and then we'll mix it with a small amount of water and add it to our Zobolo stock and stir. Listen, yeah, I know I'm a doctor and all, but I really like my Zobolo sweet. But if you're not a big fan of sweetness, please just ignore the step and you'll still come out with a Zobolo drink that suits your taste. So usually, I like adding my lemon at the end of the process, just before I bottle the Zobolo drink. So I'm just going to cut it up and set it aside, while I'm also getting my bottles washed and ready. After about 20 to 30 minutes of boiling, you can see that the pineapples have been drained of their liquid, and it's time to take down the Zobolo stock. We're gonna leave it slightly open for some time to cool off before we bottle it. After cool off, this is how we're going to sieve out the drink because this baby girl doesn't have a sieve in the house. I didn't want to add the lemon to all of the stock, so this is the stock that I have separated to add some lemon to. Well, of course, just squeeze out the lemon juice into your stock and then stir. I used a single lemon here, but you can experiment to see how much lemon suits your taste. And now, it's time to bottle up these bad boys and let them chill out in the fridge for a while. And that's how you enjoy your Zobolo drink. If you like, please subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye!